Welcome, film is a Huawei Y6 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, let's open up our settings, and from here scroll down to storage, go to our memory card, which is the second tab. For me it's the SanDisk memory card, and from here we have the option to format. Tap on it, format or erase and format in this case, and you can see that the process will begin. It's a fairly quick one. Now keep in mind that this process will remove all the data from the card, and if there's anything that you'd like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin. Otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But once the process is finished, tap on OK, and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.